Welcome to this MachineBuilder design guide on creating custom shelving. Creating custom shelving uses previously learned tools and features such as multi-select, panel generation, copy-pasting, and point-to-point connection. The first step when designing a shelf is to design the base frame. Start by selecting an extrusion profile that is best suited for the load requirements. Build the shelf frame, ensuring all extrusions are in the same plane for smooth panel generation. Add additional bracing to the frame if required. A general rule of thumb is one brace every 500 millimeters, but this may vary based on the applied load. The second step is to add frame connectors. It's recommended to add the connectors before generating any panel to allow for automatic cutouts. Select the connectors based on the applied load. For lighter loads, you can use the 45 by 45 millimeter gusset, and for heavier loads, it's recommended to use the 45 by 90 millimeter gusset or assembly plates. The third step is to generate the panel. Use multi-select to select all extrusions forming the shelf perimeter. Then, right-click and select Create Panel. In the panel generation window, select the material you would like to use for the shelf. Poly-Eco HDPE is recommended for standard work surfaces, and sheet metal is best used for heavier loads. As a tip, it's better to generate the panel outside of the extrusion for better load-bearing capacity. Mounting holes will be automatically generated. However, if you would like to add additional ones, it's recommended a maximum spacing of 3 to 400 millimeters or 12 to 16 inches. Click Apply to generate the panel. The final step is replicating the shelf. After completing the initial shelf, use multi-select to copy and then paste as needed. Using drag and drop or the point-to-point connection tool, attach the replicated shelves. By following these steps, you can easily create custom shelving in MachineBuilder.